Namaste. Today's video is part 2 of National Credit Framework. National Credit Framework NC, small letter R and F. This document is from National Curriculum Framework. And according to the National Curriculum Framework, this way credentials can be given to subjects. And this is a proposed mark list, what we have seen in the last video. And so now the question is, I was going to explain about how the credits have been given, how the credits are measured or credits are calculated. Understand that the credits are calculated according to the theory, practical and experiential learning. Suppose you are teaching something, teaching in the class as a new concept you are teaching. There for this theory class, you are getting 1 credit for 15 hours. When 15 hours are the child is learning, the concept is taught and the student is learning something new throughout the session, throughout the class. It is known as theory paper, and this self-learning also can be included, where 15 hours contribute 1 credit. So 1 credit is equal to 15 hours. And suppose we move to the practical class, that is 30 hours is equal to 1 credit. Why there? In order to get 1 credit, why 30 hours? Because the practical thing is based on, practical work is based on the theory and experiments performed, which are based on the concepts learned. So in the theory class, sometimes the repetition of an already learned concept and observations are taken and given again and again. So the same thing, what we have studied, that you are applying and learning. So that is the practical work, but the practical work is based on the concept what you have learned. So in the practical work, the 30 hours is equal to 1 credit. Then coming to the experiential learning, that is 40 to 45 hours, not plus that, 40 to 45 hours is will become 1 credit. So here 40 to 45 hours, and here the experiential learning including relevant experience and proficiency and the professional levels acquired, that we have seen in the first video itself. And so 1 credit is equal to 40 to 45 hours. Experiential learning including relevant experience and professional levels acquired, and the professional level acquired and the activities are field visits, industrial visits, etc., carry lesser weightage. So for the experiential learning, you can see that it will include relevant experience, what you have experienced while you gone and see the factory. In the factory, you can see that what are the land, labor, capital and organization that we needed. So you are seeing the plot, you are seeing the building, you are seeing the raw material, you are seeing the building, the tools, you are seeing the equipments, you are seeing the process, and you are seeing how the output is coming out. So it is based on output is a function of inputs, isn't it? That is that theory, how you will, while you have an industrial visit, that is based on a concept. So there, that is the experiential learning, your understanding by doing or by involving that you are understanding. So there your relevant experience and professional levels acquired activities like field visits, industrial visits, etc., carry lesser weightage because it is just an observation and it is an application of concepts what you have learned. So it is just an application and already you have learned the concepts. Based on that, this is the thing. So suppose you take the languages also, you can see that, suppose regarding the narration, suppose your teacher is taking you to outdoor and some natural scene or natural scene, among them some waterfalls or something, you know that illustrate it, how to illustrate. And there something what you have learned, based on that the teacher asked, or based on that the teacher asked to write a letter to your friend, or based on that you asked her to make a brochure. So you know that there what you have learned, that you are applying there. That is the main thing. Narration also, what the teacher given you the points, how to narrate it, what should be there, what should be the letter is concerned, what should be the brochure is concerned. So that way what you have learned, that you are applying. Suppose maths is concerned. Maths is concerned, you are going and understanding the length or width or height of that, and you are assessing it, you are measuring it. That is the experiential learning. So that is a hands-on learning. So there, 40 to 45 hours. Then another thing is this was a question by seeing the last day's video. So whether it is applicable in all classes? Yes, from the foundation level. This is why I have uploaded a video regarding in my regarding third year itself. 3 years it is compulsory that students should be admitted in a school, that is foundation level. That is 5 year, means not 5 year. 5 year is are there. That is by third 3 year to 4 year, 4 year to 5 year, that is Anganwadis, and 5 year to 6 year, 6th year old, that comes the preschooling 3 years. And again class 1 and class 2 5 year, that way it comes. So here you know what is the credits given. See what is the credits given: 0.1 into 3, 27 into 3 years it is given 0.1 each, and so like that the credits are being given, whatever the credits end a year and whatever the credit points end. So just here I want to tell you that it is applied. We can go in detail later. So this is another doubt the teachers are having, whether it is applicable in the earlier itself. So I will tell you how to learn this order. There is a like a music like that you can learn: F, P, M, S, S, S. F, P, M, S, S, S. So you will learn foundational, preparatory, middle, secondary, and senior secondary. Yes, thank you all.